Alrighty, guys, as the title says, it's School 2019 End of Year Revision. So, this video will be as the title talk about, it's about end of year revision. Well, it's actually 2020 now, January 3rd. I'm actually 3 days late. 3 days late on making this video. I should make this in at end of 2019 instead of at start of 2020. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is going through this document that has 1,600 words and topic by topic. So I'm gonna break the videos up into 5 minutes long. I'm probably gonna take 20 of them. So be prepared for that if you're watching my video. Today we're going through just 7 characteristics of living things. It's the first lesson that you learn in biology. In year 11 biology, the first thing you learn is differing living things from unliving things. So organisms from, just random stuff like rocks, like things that are not alive. And so a big problem is, where do we draw the line between living stuff and non-living stuff? Well, scientists have come up with 7 characteristics of living things to help us determine that. And my biology teacher told me that there is some argument over the 7 characteristics, but this is what they put in the textbook. So I guess this is the one they publicly agreed to go for. Anyways, I so 7 of them, and 3 of them starts with the letter R. They are respiration, reproduction, and reacting to stimulus. And you know what? Let's expand them one by one. Respiration, well, in almost all the organisms on the Earth, on our planet, almost all the organisms use oxygen for respiration. So respiration is basically the process of um, using energy to, turning um, energy sources into usable ATPs. Um, and in humans, that would be through breathing, our body can make 38 ATP. Um, and when we don't have oxygen available to us, when we respirate, we only produce 2 ATP. So that's what respiration is. Just link it up with ATP, and we will see some almost the same definition for metabolism, but we will get to that. Reproduction, pretty simple. Make babies. If you can't make babies, I guess you're not an organism. But this can have some exceptions to it. One thing that you need to know while learning this is that a living thing doesn't need to have or tick off all 7 characteristics to be a living thing. Taking the example of a meal or um, a liger, which is a mix of tiger and lion. They can't reproduce, but they are still alive. So a liger will only meet 6 of these characteristics, but it will still be alive. Anyway, third one, reacting to stimulus. And this one basically says, well, if the organism gets hurt, it's going to back away from whatever that's making it hurt. Metabolism, this one is just painful. So I just look online for a definition for metabolism. It says it's the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. So basically, this is just all the chemical process that's needed to make energy. Excretion, what's coming in is going out. So for us, that's pooping. For other animals, that could be, just getting stuff out from whatever. Growth. Everyone grows because without growth, you can't, how do I put this? Without the replication of cells, you can't grow. And if your cells don't replicate, you can't grow. So, and we know that the development of a life from the womb is basically the replication of cells, the splitting of cells that make up, eventually make up a human baby. So you must grow to be alive. And the seven is movement. All organisms move in some sort of way. Plants move toward the direction that the sunlight is coming from, and animals move just faster and a lot quicker than plants do. Anyways, that's the seven characteristics of living things. While making this video, I just thought that I think I've had made a video on the topic. But anyways, I'm going to upload this to the end of year revision section. Well, good video. Goodbye. It's a late night and enjoy 2020.